you hold that for me? Thanks.
Just holding all your rubbish all day.
Appreciate it, thanks. Well, come with me this morning to my first ever rifle competition. So I'm going to the Precision Rifle Queensland Carbine Match in Jandowae. Come along with me and I'm going to be documenting my first ever rifle comp. I've been trying to prepare the best I can for this, but we're just going to have to see how we go. I'm using the Wedgetail MPR 223. I like shooting that gun a lot. I feel like I'm pretty good at shooting it, but we'll see how we go in a competition setting. See how I go remembering courses of fire and which targets to engage in which sequence. So let's see if I don't choke doing that sort of thing. But it's going to be good fun. ZeroTech are the major sponsor, so I've got a big gazebo and stuff with me, so I'm going to set up a bit of a ZeroTech display. It should be good.
You ate your coffee? Drink your coffee, sorry?
I drank my coffee. I filmed making the coffee. I've been up for hours.
What sort of coffee is this, Woody?
This is Australian Warfighters coffee. Limited edition case. Only one ever made.
What? Did you make it
Yeah,
yourself?
I made it.
This is a coffee kit, yeah?
Yeah, so everything I need to make a coffee in the morning is in that box.
Holy smokes.
So I got gas, a cooker, I got the sachets.
Fully loaded drip filter coffee.
Yeah.
100% made in Australia. That's amazing. You pumped? Pumped for the match?
So pumped.
I'm gonna wake up a bit and then I'll be pumped.
Pumping in progress.
Yeah. Pump it up.
So we know the guns are good. So if it goes bad, we know it's us.
Yeah.
It's the pressure we can't handle.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with the gun.
It's pretty cold though. It is cold here, way colder than I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, should be a good day. Everyone's running ZeroTechs.
Pretty much everyone.
There's fucking so many ZeroTechs here. It's awesome.
Yeah. I'll be trying to get as much footage on the line as possible.
Mm.
T-Dog. Got your coffee.
What sort of coffee you got there, Cobber?
Just instant.
Yeah, nice. Macana or Nescafe?
Nescafe.
Kill yourself.
Hey?
Just kill yourself.
From an Nescafe.
Alright, so when we arrived yesterday, we just set up camp real quick and had a quick practice session before it got dark. Then we just hung out, met a lot of shooters, which is super cool. And we just had an early night. Actually, I was in bed by 8:30. Early start this morning, breakfast at 6:30, briefing is at 7:30. We're just going around and set up some ZeroTech stuff. And then we're going to have our briefing and start shooting, so I can't wait.
ZeroTech outdoors.
No.
Nah, because I'm going to flick my car.
Heady. I'm shooting 50 grain Fiocchi EPNs. Nice. Yeah. So can I load, even though I'm only firing 12, do I have to only carry 12 rounds?
No, you can load full max.
As long as I only shoot 12, right?
How many does that hold?
Not 30, only 10.
Yeah, right.
No, I'm just thinking, because I'm changing mags in this stage.
Yeah.
Like, should I only put 2 rounds in it, or should I
You
put 10?
fill all your mags all the time.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you might have a dud round, a failed feed.
So it's only...
You might accidentally fuck something up and eject a live round. So if you only put the exact number you need to shoot, you might fuck yourself.
So...
And it takes so much
I can
time.
carry more than 12, I just can't shoot more than 12. Yeah?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, sweet.
Oh, it's getting hot.
Yeah, but it's like, that can stay out. I'll get my sunnies.
Can you hold that for me? Thanks.
Just holding all your rubbish all day.
Appreciate it, thanks.
Here we go.
It's 30, 100, 200,
Thanks,
308. Back to 30. You got it.
Has there been anywhere around?
Yeah.
Your pockets.
Jamming in random people's bags. That's what I love.
So we're set up for the first stage now. There's a few people just doing their last zeros and checks. And then we'll be hitting our first stage. I've just been through the stage brief, had a quick look at it. Looks pretty straightforward. I think the hardest part for me, never shooting rifle comps before, is remembering all the targets in their sequences. I've been writing down these data cards on my arms just to help me out a bit, but we'll see how we go.
Just some roll your own 168 grain, extra short.
Is that a tracer?
What are you, the feds?
Yeah.
It's
Are those level 3
It's
floats?
green tip. It's depleted uranium. I hate steel, so I'm going to kill it.
Yeah, nice. T3.
Want me to film wood?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
No, we're good.
Fine. Be gentle.
Just let me know when you're ready.
Thank you.
Walker's got so much grass in it, it's actually crazy. We got spotter scorer.
Spotter up!
Righto.
All right.
Shooter, understand course of fire?
Yes.
Zero, would you load and make ready?
I'm starting with bolt open, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready?
Shooter, stand by.
Impact! 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 Impact!
Impact! Nice run.
No check clear.
How many did he get?
Missed 3. You keeping your brass?
Close one.
No.
No?
No.
I've got 3 somewhere.
That's all right.
I don't forget your mag either.
Oh, thank you so much. I forgot it last time too. Thank you.
Remember that? Then someone claimed it there.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, bro. You got 1.
Oh,
You
yeah?
got 11.
Oh, thanks.
Fucking sick.
That's good.
Impact! Impact!
Thank you.
Thanks, it.
Oh, he's got the gold grip. That's what I'm talking about.
Impact! 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 Impact!
Yeah, mate. I'll take it.
I don't know how to make it say now.
That's okay. Thank you.
Right, stop.
Just one of the things you got to watch for is the 15 shots.
Yes.
I've only got 16, so I'll probably shoot all 16 because I'm fast like that. Give me 10 points.
Do you understand the course fire?
Yes.
Shooter mate, load mate, ready?
Hang on. Hit to move.
Yes.
Yep.
Shooter, are you ready?
Shooter ready.
Stand by.
Impact! 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 Impact!
Oh no, not enough rounds in the magazine.
Impact! Impact!
Come on, Eddie.
Impact!
Hey, mate.
Hey mate, load mate, ready mate?
Thank you.
Shooter, understand the course of fire?
I do.
Spotter and scorer, copy. Shooter, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Stand by.
Impact! Impact!
Damn it.
Impact! 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 Impact!
Unload and show clear, mate.
The last one was on, eh?
Yep, that was in.
Yep.
Hell yeah, Woody.
Thank you.
Oh, can you just...
Oh, sorry, mate.
You're all right, mate. Cheers, mate.
All right.
Good shooting.
Thank you.
Shooter, load, make ready. Shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
Yes.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by! Unload, show clear. Good clean run, bro.
First clean.
Good drills, bro.
I was recording it too.
Nice.
Thank you.
Alright, talk to you later. Bye.
Bye, love you.
Bye. Good shooting, man.
Thank you.
I'll be the judge of that.
How'd you go?
Cleaned it.
Clean?
Yep.
Good job.
Clean.
Oh, man. Fucking sick.
I only missed fucking 3. Good shit. Feel good?
Real good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holding the win?
I was on a jam. No win.
No win.
I held 0 because 150. I'm like 2 to 3 can cut through that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Good groove.
Just went 0.
That's definitely yours.
There's one more livey there.
Yeah, gotcha. How many more shooters do we have? It's up to you, Woody. 5 more. Including Woody. Shooter, do you understand the course of fire?
Yes, I do.
You may load and make ready.
Thank you.
Spotter up.
Yep.
Scorer ready.
Yeah.
Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Impact! Impact!
I'm shooting 270 bucks.
Impact! Impact!
an epic couple of days of shooting. Those were some challenging stages. I definitely was a big eye opener for my first ever rifle comp, but so much fun. I'm just doing a mad pack up now. There's some weather coming in, and then we're gonna hit the road. But before that, we're gonna see the ceremony and see our scores and all that sort of thing. Eddie's here.
Hey guys, it was a
How'd
great
you go?
match. Yeah, really good match for first of its kind, obviously. So learned a lot of lessons, and really good to get a bunch of good people together with Australian-made firearms, you know, and carbines, and just try something different. So yeah,
Super
really
cool.
happy. It was great teamwork.
Ooh.
Well, that's a wrap. I'm driving home now from the match. Still on the property, but I'm working my way out. Amazing. Such a great match. My first ever rifle match. Scoring. So I placed 7th overall, which I'm so stoked with to even be in the top half, let alone the top 10. My teammate Hetty, he placed 8th, which is amazing. He also scored first for 30 cal, because one in every team had to be shooting a 30 cal. And my third teammate Tyrone, he placed 14th, which was amazing. His first ever rifle comp as well. Super great match. Very grateful to be able to go there and represent ZeroTech and just see a bunch of amazing shooters, lots of talented people there. And Precision Rifle Queensland put on a fantastic match, so big thanks to them. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry there hasn't been much blogging or explanations. You know, between working on the cameras and shooting the match myself, I was just flat out. So, but I hope you enjoyed the video anyway, and I'll see you on the next one.